Unlike traditional buildings, the unique roofline of Repsol Sports Centre requires that our mechanical system sits in the basement rather than on a structured roof. In today's episode of Under the Tent, we're going down, way down, to film underground at Repsol Sports Centre and show off our mechanical system. Along the way, I want to point out this date, June 22nd, 2013, and this line, which marks the height of the water in the 2013 flood. And as I progress down, you'll notice just how underwater we were. Underneath our gyms, our pools, our weight room, the track, lives an entire city of mechanical and electrical equipment. We're talking pumps and motors and boilers, switchgear, air handling units. I'm standing right now in front of the two main boilers that provide heat to the building, the showers and the pools. The space is so large that our building engineers actually use scooters to travel through the 200,000 plus square feet of space that lives below the areas that you know so well. Our basement is full of secrets, and here's something I bet most people don't know about. Check this out. Underground window looking into the dive tank, used primarily by our dive coaches to watch the rip entry of their athletes to ensure they're hitting proper form. This is one of 6 pool computers that test the chemistry of the competition pool. What you see here are 2 probes that are constantly monitoring pH and chlorine. And if it detects the need, it will auto-inject chemical to ensure that you have the perfect swimming environment every time you come to Repsol Sports Centre. I'm standing in front of one of 12 air handling units, or AHUs. This AHU number 4 feeds the South Fieldhouse, or gym number 1 and 2 as you know it. These units were replaced in 2013 after the flood. Can you imagine the size and scale of that job? Supporting this air handling unit is a VFD, or variable frequency drive, supply and return. These units create great efficiency, only calling for air when needed and sitting idle when not. This is our main electrical vault, which is fed by a 1600 amp breaker that services roughly 350,000 square feet of Repsol Sports Centre activity space. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Under the Tent, where we took you underground and showed off just a glimpse of everything that it takes from a mechanical, electrical perspective to make this building hum.